G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and we are on to the video you've been waiting for. It is my one and only physical album for my one and only paper December daily project. So this project was made in 2012, and don't worry, I'll take you through the whole thing in the video. I made it with a simple scrapper kit, and it's my only non-digital version. I've just been seeing Amberly from Memory Keeping Mama has been redoing one of her paper projects as digital. Will I go that same way? Who knows? Well, I hope you enjoy the video.
Today I have a bit of a treat for you, a paper scrapbook. Fair warning, I haven't actually gone through this in a long time, so if things start to fall out, just bear with me. So I did this album originally to have 2 rings in it. I ordered Simple Scrapper Jennifer Wilson's kit when she was doing kits back in the day. And you know what? That washi tape, I still have it and I've still not used it all up. So some of the pages are out of the page protector and some are inside page protectors. Don't exactly remember how I decided what's what, but who knows, maybe it's these ones with the pull-outs. I didn't. I wonder if that was supposed to be upside down. I feel like that should have gone under here, but nope, it's just going to be upside down. It's a professional photo we had done earlier in the year, and I use this for journaling spots. This one just says what we did. And look how many Christmas cards I used to post out. I had made in 2012, I actually made 150 card kits. So for several years I had plenty of pre-made cards. I made it for our MOPS, Mums of Preschoolers group, and not many were used, so I got to take a lot home. Just another pull-out journaling spot. Candle carpet, crawling, creating cards. Wonder what I was doing with the carpet. Probably needed slightly more journaling there. I believe I made the journaling cards and I didn't actually get the photos printed because I got them printed professionally. And this one is something I made in 2009. I included that mini Bible sticker book that I guess Emily did. And I love this like washi tape. I think there's many photos of this advent calendar in many different December dailies because I drew it by hand, and I bought this advent calendar flip out in Kalgoorlie when I lived out there. Don't remember what brand that is, but it had a 25th of December opening, which we don't really do in Australia. We only go up to Christmas Eve. And then love that. I kind of used these journaling spots as best I could. And I think this, yeah, I edited it to put text on the photo very advanced. That obviously just got wet a bit there. documenting. This was before I had my classes and I was just doing live workshops at DigiScrap HQ. Flip that up so you can see the full thing. I must have lost something from that spot. Who knows what it was? I'm guessing it was a star, but who knows. And now this was take 12. If you remember Ella Publishing from back in the day, they had take 12 in 2012 where you would take 12 photos each day. So I just glued and a lot of these are screenshots. My Workflowy. Does anyone still use Workflowy? And I must have taken more than 12 for that day. And isn't it funny seeing these old skeuomorphic screenshots? This would have been on an iPhone 4, I suppose. Enjoy the fruit cake. That was actually baby fruit cake from a baby group. And another blast from the past. I was an Ella friend, so I was basically the creative team for the digital book publishing. And this is still all the 12th. Goodness gracious me, what? So much. And finally we get to the 13th. I really went hard trying to use these, the supplies that came in the kit. Open. Oh, how do we even open this, Melissa? There we go. And here's a rare photo of Emily's eye patching. My daughter has severe hyperopia, and she had to have a eye patching done for a couple of hours each day. For a couple of years. She mustn't have had her glasses then. Seems odd seeing her without glasses. What is happening here? So many pull-ups. It's probably at this point where I was like, okay, you really need to chill out with all the photos. And this one is a little cut file that I made of my own handwriting. Oh yes, she did have glasses. I don't know why she wasn't wearing them in the other shots. Again, lots of tags for journaling. Is this another one that flips out? No, that one's stuck down. So many bits and pieces. I don't regret doing this in paper, but boy, the digital albums are so much, like the flat albums are so much easier to just flick through. This was a good story. It was some gifts arriving in time. Included a piece of my favourite wrapping paper. Boxing Day. Included this super blurry photo because it was the best one we had from that day. Ah well. And finishing off with my sister's birthday and a bit of one little word. And that must have been what Emily did with everything. So there you go. This is a Becky Higgins album. I guess it's an 8x8. Originally, or maybe it's 6x8. I don't know the dimensions of albums very well because I'm more of a digital scrapbooker. But that's what I did in 2012. What do you reckon? Should I keep this one or shall I redo it digital? I mean, let's be honest, I'm not going to get rid of this album because it's still fun, but sometimes I do wonder about, you know, this versus this. It takes up a lot less space, plus I can reprint as many as I want of those. What do you think?
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this walk through my 2012 December album, and I hope it has inspired you to put some paper and glue and create a scrapbook too.
Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click subscribe and then click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of when I create new videos. What year would you like me to flick through next? If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.